I'm out.
Wait. What you're about to experience is the future of espionage.
Okay.
You might be experiencing some mild discomfort. Or severe. I'll make a note of that.
This is because I fired you, right? Okay, I'm gonna walk out of here.
Yeah, that might be hard because you're in the middle of chromothripsis.
Oh, okay, might pass out.
Oh, you're definitely gonna pass out. Your genomes are being smashed apart so they can be reassembled with pigeon DNA.
Muscle it down, Lance. Muscle it down. Oh! What did you do? What did you do?
Whoa, you're entering phase 2. Epigenetic modulation. Think of each gene as having a switch, and one by one, your switches are flipping to pigeon. Human pigeon. Human pigeon, human pigeon, human pigeon, human pigeon, human pigeon, human pigeon, human pigeon.
Stop with the lights! Wait, look at my hand. What's happening to my hand?
Baby hand.
This is the final version. This isn't so bad.
Your body's being flooded with endorphins to prepare you for the immense physical pain you're about to experience.
Wait, say that again. You poisoned me!
Poison? That's not even my department.
Squeeze the poison out.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
3 seconds. Gonna be fine. Trust me.
Here we go. What? Oh, that clock's fast. It worked. Subject's vitals are stable. Inserting rectal thermometer. It's okay, buddy. Hey, it's okay. Don't you worry. Your good friend Walter is... Subject appears disoriented.
Of course I'm disoriented.
You can talk? Lovey, he can talk. It worked.
My eyes!
It worked.
What did you do to my eyes?
Hey, Lance, look at me.
Look at you? I can't not look at you, Walter. I can see my butt and your face at the same time.
That is so cool. Fact, pigeons have 360-degree vision. Now nobody can sneak up behind you.
Stop, girl, come on.
This is so great. Pigeons can be found in every major city around the world, and no one notices them. It's the most perfect form a spy could take.
You better unbird me right now. That's it, I'm not playing with you. Unbird. I'm raising my voice. I probably shouldn't be raising my voice at you. I guess you can imagine I'm a little stressed right now. I need you to unbird me, Walter.
Of course. I'll start working on an antidote right now.
Start?
Well, the formula was purely theoretical
You're
until
gonna start? You don't have an antidote? Stop, girl, seriously. Okay. So you birded me, and you can't unbird me.
You kind of birded yourself.
Oh, I'm gonna hurt this boy. I'm gonna hurt this boy.
Look, I know you're upset, but everything's okay. I called the agency and told them you're here.
You did what?
No, it's okay. I didn't tell them you're a bird. Although, I think they're gonna figure that out pretty quickly.
I got a ghost.